How to add multiple photos in Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can add multiple photos in Instagram story. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. In order to add multiple photos to your Instagram story, it's very simple. So first of all, make sure you have updated the app, and once you update it, just go ahead and then look for Instagram and then open it up. Once you open Instagram, we want to go ahead and try to create a new story. So go to the story tabs over here. Now the first thing you can do is you can select a layout for some of the photos which you want to add. You can see this option which is layout. Simply tap on the layout option over here, and now you can just select the layouts which you want to use for your story. So right over here you can see 4 layouts over here. If you wanted 3 layouts, you can go ahead and select any of these options, or you could select the 4 ones. So what we will do is we will simply go ahead and add some pictures to this. So we'll go ahead and tap on it, or we will select one of the pictures over here. I will select it and it will be added to the top right or the top left of that particular screen. If you want to add another one, simply tap on it again and select another one just like that. If you want to fill in another one, simply select it. So go ahead and fill in the other one over here. You can actually also go ahead and drag each of these in order to adjust the size as well. So as you can see, this is just how you can add multiple photos. Another thing you can do is again go ahead and select another 2 photos which you wanted. So just go ahead and then select other photos and then tap on the plus icon and select the other one as well. So just like that, you can see we've added multiple photos. If you want to delete any of this, tap on it and select delete, or you could go ahead and simply change them to other ones. Once you're satisfied with the photo, click on the check mark icon and you can see this is our multiple photos. Now this is basically the first way to do it. The other way, however, is you can just go ahead and select it directly. So I will discard the layout over here. Once I also discard the layout on this particular page, so let me just go ahead and then do that as well. If I go ahead and discard the layout, now I'll go ahead and tap on this photos icon. On the top right, you can see select. So I'll click on select and I will select the photos which I want to add. So I'll just go ahead and select multiple ones and then click on the next button. Now you have the option to do it in layout or do it in separate. If you do it in separate, all the photos are going to be added separately. So instead what we will do is we will select layout, and as soon as you select layout, you can see all these photos has been added just like that, but this time you will not be able to crop them individually. But what I would recommend you do is you just go ahead and select this layout option over here and then choose a layout for the post which you want to use. So just go ahead and select any of these layouts over here just like that, as you could see, and you could also see another 3, another 4, and you could just see multiple type of layout as well. This is how you can add multiple photos in Instagram story. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.